Hey, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. Today we're down in Tampa and we're doing a single car garage. With an attached closet, laundry room. So this space is in very good shape. So first thing we have to do is get this coating off the floor, get down to bare concrete again. We'll clean up what we can, what we see. So this job happens to be an Airbnb. This is for a friend of mine. So what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description to this particular rental, along with the address. I haven't asked him about it yet, but I'm sure he wouldn't mind. So since this is a relatively small job, we are going to go with small 12-inch grinder. I think it's more appropriate for this particular job. So let's get busy. Let's get started. Okay, we are prepped up and set up. Did some repairs, all these pinholes or nail holes, whatever the heck they were. Rounded over the lead-in edge. Fixed 1,000,001 little pinholes and nail holes along the edges. Fixed all these pinholes. Now along here what we did was we sealed in the void in the wall, so we put our epoxy in. We're going to have a good seal there. Removed all the previous coating. And we are ready to put some chips on this floor. All finished up. So this is a one car with this attached space, which is the laundry room. So we did do some repairs along here. We did a lot of nail hole repairs. And this is where we did the repairs along the wall there. We filled that void, ground that all back. So this is a full chip job, polyaspartic top coat, full diamond grinding. And this color is Raven. This is where we did some repairs along the lead-in edge. Rounded that over, smoothed it out. A bunch of nail holes along the edge as well that we filled back. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport, Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.